Trains around the tree are a Christmas tradition. They seem to take us all back to Christmases past. Each Christmas season, the Altoona Association of Model Railroaders holds holiday open houses. Young and old alike come out to enjoy the magic of miniature locomotives navigating their way around the track. We started out the evening in the downstairs end scale room as passengers and freight, steam and diesel made their way around this extensive multi-level layout. You know, we're only about 80 subscribers away from our 1,000 subscriber goal. Click that subscribe button and help us hit that number before the end of the year. We truly appreciate it.
It was fun. The cars are super easy to put back together, but they were literally like 15 pieces. And it was with his T1, which the boxcar saved. Yeah. His T1 was on that too. I heard it all my life. It was cook, smash.
The second floor houses the HO scale layout and an extensive collection of railroad memorabilia. There's no shortage of train actions here either. Back on the first floor, the trains are still running.
And then you also need the yeah, that's all these days. Well, in spring.
I want to thank each and every one of you for another fantastic year here on YouTube. We appreciate you taking some time out of your week to spend it with us, and we hope to see you all again in 2025 for even more day trip adventures. We exit the building to the sounds of Norfolk Southern rumbling into the night. Until the next one, have a very Merry Christmas.